Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you view a private account on Instagram without having to follow them in the first place, then you came to the right video. In this video I'll show you what can you do about it. So follow up with me till the very end to get the most out of it. And let us jump right into it now. So open Instagram. Let's say from here you are logged into your account, of course, and let's look for a private account right here. I'm gonna scroll down. And in these suggestions, I'm gonna keep swiping until you find a private account that I might want to, let's say, see. Say I'm gonna find this one right here. As you can see, this account is private. Now what you can do from here is to remember the username of this account at the top. And of course, let us take a screenshot and I'll show you how can you use the username and screenshot later. From here, once you're done from all of these steps, tap here in the bottom right corner to open your profile. And then in the three dots or three lines in the top right corner, tap right there to open settings and privacy right here, guys. So tap on privacy and settings, and from here scroll all the way down to the bottom and then simply tap on help right here. Now tap on report a problem at the top and then tap on report problem without shaking right there, guys. From here you can choose to include in the bottom or not to, just tap any one of these, and then right here you need to basically tell Instagram support team something that sounds like this. You're gonna be telling them that the owner of this account, and type in the username of that account just like that. Tell them that the owner of that account, I mean, is one of your friends in real life and you really want to see their content or private accounts content, and then tap on upload right here in the bottom and upload that screenshot just like that. Now it would be a miracle for this method to work, but there is nothing to lose here. Just try it out, and in 1 to 2 days Instagram will come back to you with a reply. They might let you see the content. Now from here the best way is to actually send a follow request and wait for the owner to let you in, and since they're probably gonna be your friend or they're probably not gonna mind letting you in, you're just gonna be viewing their profile or their content on their profile without a problem. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave a question in the comments section. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching, guys. See you later.